Tianjin Peaks Company Limited is a professional supplier of filling and packaging machines based in China. With an experienced engineering and manufacturing team, we provide valve bag packers, open-mouth bag filling machines, FIBC ton bag fillers, palletizers, stretch hood wrappers, conveyors, and other equipment. Our production processes emphasize quality control and batch manufacturing for consistent good performance. We also offer worldwide service and technical support. We look forward to collaborating with clients globally.